Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Moto E5 Supra from Cricket Wireless. I did purchase this phone and it was $217, so go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below guys what you think about this video or any other videos that you'd like to see on the Moto E5 Supra. But let's go ahead and go into the review of the Motorola E5 Supra. Alrighty guys, so here we are with the Moto E5 Supra guys. So included in the box on the Moto E5 Supra, you don't really get too much nowadays obviously, but you do get a power cord, a power adapter, you do get the SIM tool, which is just a little needle that you stick in to remove your SIM. Not that big of a deal, but you do get a little bit of a goodie right there right off the bat, which thumbs up to Motorola for actually including this right here. There's a little case just to save your phone, just in case you do drop it and you don't want to scratch the back. I would say it might do a little bit for the front as well, so that's good. It doesn't have the biggest of lips right there on the sides right there, so might not exactly save your phone, but you never know, that little bit could save the day when it comes to bumps and scratches and shatters and whatnot. But I do recommend definitely getting yourself a nicer case for longer term use. Now the Motorola E5 Supra, I'm going to just read out the callouts right here. You do get an octa-core Android 6-inch HD plus display, so that means it's going to be 720p. You do have a 12 megapixel rear camera with laser autofocus, 8 megapixel front camera, both with flash, so they do come with flash on the front and the back. Fingerprint readers added for security, and long-lasting 5,000 milliamp battery. Let me say that 5,000 milliamp battery does come into play when you're talking about the Motorola E5 Supra. So let's go ahead and just take a look around the device. I have been using this phone now for 3 days now. Let's go ahead and take this case off of it. And yes guys, you do get a lot of fingerprints on the back and the front. I did not wipe it just for that purpose, to show you guys that it is a fingerprint magnet and whatnot. So you're going to definitely want to get some kind of case on there, or you're just going to have to wipe the phone off a lot. So, but I do like, let me go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff that I do like about this phone real quick before I get into any other details about the phone. I do like the fact that it is nice kind of rounded shape on the back. It does have a nice feel to it. Doesn't feel like you're going to drop this phone out of your hand. I do like the heavier weight. The heavier weight of the phone kind of just makes it feel more premium to me. The build quality, like this is like, it feels like one solid piece. Doesn't feel flimsy, doesn't feel like any little pieces are not built for the phone. It just feels like this phone is one big piece of sexiness, to be honest with you guys. So also included in the box guys, the power brick is a quick charging device as well, so it will charge your phone really fast. That being said, it is a micro USB. It is not a USB type C, which is like but it is quick charge. So I do give them, like, I take points away, but then I give them points back because it is a quick charge right there. The microphone is located at the bottom right there. I can feel it. Oh, and guys, this is being recorded on the LG Stylo 4 that I just got from Cricket Wireless. So this is the video quality coming off the back of the LG Stylo 4. So there you go with that. And then you do have a headphone jack at the top right there. So those of you that like the headphone jacks at the bottom, you're out of luck right there with the Moto E5 Supra. But I do like the back right there. You got your camera with laser autofocus. You got your regular camera right there. You do have, try to get this in focus guys, you do have your flash right there, and then you do have your Motorola bat wing as well. So there you go with that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the front of the phone. You do have your flash up there. You do have your speaker grill up there. You do have your Motorola branding right there. And you do have your Cricket tramp stamp, as people like to say, on the phone right there. Now if you're going to not get a phone because of a Cricket branding right there, then I don't know what to tell you guys. I know a lot of people are upset that it came on there, but hey, it is what it is. So let me go ahead and just open the phone right there. So as you can see, 6-inch display, pretty bright as well. let's go ahead and probably turn the brightness a little bit down. Now this is not even as bright as it gets. You can actually get it brighter than this. Let me show you that, guys, as well. So like I said, this phone does get pretty bright. Actually, there you go. Let me actually do it adaptive brightness. So there you go. So that's the brightness that you're gonna get, or you can even crank up the brightness even higher on that. So you do get the pretty much stock feel of the phone right there. That's the application drawer right there. Got a cough, sorry. So that's the application drawer right there. Pretty easy and simple. I do like Motorola's UI. Like I said, it's pretty stock experience right there. Now, if you go ahead and flip or twist the phone right there, it's called Moto Actions. So it does have a few things right there. You can actually put it on the front, and then you can put it on the back. So that's awesome as well. So also you can do chop. So you go like this, and that'll turn on the flash for you right there, and then you can turn it off, chop like that. So let's go ahead and jump right into the camera, because I know a lot of you guys like to see camera comparisons and whatnot, and I am going to take actual pictures and whatnot as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front viewfinder first, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at the back viewfinder on the Motorola E5 Supra. Now let's go ahead and take some pictures. So 1, 2, hey, and as you can see, guys, I am using the LG Stylo 4 to record this as well. So compared LG Stylo 4 to the Moto E5 Supra, I think the E5 Supra does stand out way better in the camera quality department. So as you can see, these pictures are nice and crisp for your 8 megapixel camera. Definitely nice. So definitely I like it a lot. So look at that. So the LG Stylo 4, which I just didn't do as well on that. Was kind of blurry-ish, and as you can see, guys, it is having a little bit of trouble actually recording this video, which is kind of weird because it's like not focusing in. And I have plenty of light going on right here, guys. I have 2 different lights right now. So let's go ahead and take a picture right there. Take a picture. Alright, so come on, LG, focus. Alright, well, anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys this right here. Let me show you the pictures right there. So that's what the back camera looks on the Moto E5 Supra right there. So yeah, but like I said, this LG is not focusing in. Alright, there we go. Okay, so there we go. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's what the Moto E5 Supra back camera looks like right there, guys. So let's go ahead and move on from that. Pre-installed right here, what you get. All these things are actually my different applications that I'm using and whatnot. So I haven't had any bloatware yet, but once you actually put in your Cricket Wireless SIM card, that's when you're going to get all your bloatware. It's going to start downloading it and whatnot. So it is what it is. Let's go ahead and go into, let's see what we got, what we can do real quick, just to show you some stuff on here. We're going to go into CS Portable real quick. This is a game that I usually play. It always does. This is not available on the Play Store anymore, so you can't download this game. So sorry about that, guys, if you're a fan of this game. This was made way back when. I don't know why they removed it off the Play Store, but yeah. So, on LG, focus. Okay, so there we go. Zombie Survival. Yeah, so that's that right there. Let me show you this game. So yeah, like I said, LG's having a little bit harder of a time to focus. I did do the same video with the same, like, you know, I had the Motorola E5 Supra on the stand, and not on the stand, oh my god, on the tripod, and I did have the LG, and I was filming, and if you can actually tell that video is a lot cleaner and crisper than this one right now. But here you go. So yeah, so not to be mean to the LG Stylo 4, but as you can see, guys, I'm having trouble just recording this video. Like, come on. So I don't know. All right, so yeah, because this is definitely not that fuzzy. Okay, come on. All right, so there we go. All right, so as you can see, guys, the Motorola E5 Supra definitely does well. Definitely runs well on these phones, on this emulators, ROMs. Definitely nice and fluid and whatnot. Speaker as well. I don't know what I'm doing, but all right. So nice and loud speakers coming off the front right here, not the bottom or the sides. So it's definitely nice and loud. You know, I don't want to wake Little John up right now. He's sleeping, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this right there. But yeah, so as you can see, also as well, if you go into the messaging, which this thing, what the messaging looks like or what the keyboard looks like. So it does come with the Gboard pre-installed, so you can actually go right there into the emojis and whatnot, so you can get all your, let me see here, oh, okay, you can get all your emoji fun. It's been working, so I don't know why it's not. Maybe because it's not, you can't really do emojis when you're actually going to like look at a website and whatnot. But yeah, so let's just go into just something random or whatnot. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can't type emojis into the thing, but definitely the Emoji Keyboard is definitely nice. I've been playing around with it for quite some time now, but you can't actually use it when you're going into a Google or when Google application. Definitely don't want to go into messaging, because then you'll see contacts and stuff like that, which I don't want to show anybody's number on a video. And I keep having to refocus with this LG Stylo 4, which is getting quite annoying. So let me go ahead and go into settings real quick for you guys. And yeah, so settings right here, really easy, guys. You got your Bluetooth, cast, USB, printing. You got your internet and network settings and whatnot. So you do have your hotspot tethering. That's cool. You got your battery right there. It says 1 day. It says, okay, so there's about 16 hours left. So I got 38%, and it says 16 hours left. Battery saver right there. You can have your battery percentage, adaptive brightness, of course, and that's that right there. You got your display. You can choose your color mode, so you can do cool, warm, neutral, standard, vibrant. So you can do different things right there. That's awesome as well. Now I'm going to say that's not as customizable as the LG Stylo 4. So if you're really into like stylizing your phone and whatnot, then this might not be the phone for you guys. So updated to Android 8.0.0, so it does have the 8.0.0 right there. YouTube looks fantastic on here as well. So all in all, this phone is really great, guys. And like I said, it's for $217 right now. Will they have a different price point in the future? Probably. This phone will probably come down in price a little bit, but really the standout features of this phone are going to be the nice camera that's on the back, a 13 megapixel camera with the autofocus, or not the autofocus, with the laser focus actually, which comes in really handy, especially if you're doing YouTube and whatnot, or if you're doing really, if you really want to get those pictures in focus right away. The build design quality of this phone is really, really, really nice. Motorola is already known for more of its build quality, but I think they just took this one to another level. Really, really great on them. So 5,000 milliamp battery as well with quick charging. Things that I don't like about this particular phone is going to be just the micro USB instead of the USB Type-C. I would have loved to see micro USB or whatnot. I guess the phone could be heavy. That could be a con to some people, but I actually like that fact that I actually feel like I have something in my pocket. So when I do have it in my pocket, it's, you can actually feel this in your pocket. It's not like whatever. I do like the little inclusion of the little case that they gave, even though, they could have went a little bit further with the case, but just having it some kind of a case is cool. But as you can see, guys, this fingerprints are like, whoa, this is crazy. Well, anyways, I guess that's going to be my review of the Moto E5 Supra. Let me guys let me know in the comments below if you want to see anything else from the Moto E5 Supra. I know I probably didn't cover everything that you guys wanted to see or hear from this device, so let me know what you'd like to see. If you did reach the end of the video, go ahead and hit hashtag Moto E5 Supra Cricket Wireless to let me know that you reached the end of the video, and I will pin your comment. Thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. Peace, love, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.